Without continuous dust collection, manufacturing processes are interrupted for filtration system maintenance, increasing hazardous material exposure risk. Your current solutions may be legally non-compliant and require expensive tertiary explosion protection systems. The Quad Pulse Package 2 from Camfil Air Pollution Control is a compact, low-energy consumption, self-cleaning filtration system capable of 24/7 continuous dust collection, which means zero downtime during operation and increased production. Now designed with 2 primary filters and 2 HEPA filters, the QPP2 handles high-volume applications while maintaining a compact footprint and meeting indoor air quality standards. Our market-leading bag-in, bag-out safe change technology is incorporated in all stages of the unit, delivering end-to-end protection for operators. The QPP2 uses a unique quad pulse system, cleaning the filter element in separate quadrants, reducing variations in operating pressure. QPP2 is built using strong materials with a fully welded construction, certifying it with NFPA and ATEX explosion and shock resistance standards. Both filter stages act as a flame barrier, providing double protection and eliminating the need for additional outlet isolation, saving you money. The Quad Pulse Package 2 will save you expensive plant floor space while simplifying operations and maintenance. Low energy consumption, 24/7 operation, zero downtime during operation, save time and money, compact size for ease of installation, explosion pressure shock resistance, simple installation, NFPA compliant, ATEX certified, and self-cleaning capabilities, guarantees significant time and cost savings. Visit our website to contact us and learn more about why the Quad Pulse package from Camfil APC is the right solution for you.